Hey there! Today, we're going to learn how to cook a medium steak on a barbecue. So grab your grill, because today, we're making a mouth-watering steak medley. First, let's start with some simple marinade ingredients. You'll need olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Whisk these up in a bowl and let it sit for a while so the flavors can melt. Next, you're going to need a steak that you want to cut into slices. Make sure to choose a steak that's a bit leaner, like a ribeye or strip steak. Season the slices generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Now, it's time to lay them out on your grill. Once your steak is nice and seared, it's time to start layering. Start with a layer of lemon juice, followed by a layer of marinade. Then add a layer of steak slices, and finally, a layer of mozzarella cheese. And make sure to cover your steak with an aluminum lid. This not only keeps your steak nice and moist, but it also helps to sear the mozzarella cheese. Burning the mozzarella cheese is essential for this step. Once the cheese is starting to brown and bubble, gently open the lid, and let the steam help melt the cheese even more. And just like that, your steak medley is ready to serve. Now, you're going to want to plate this up with some steamed vegetables, pasta, or crusty bread. The combination of the lemon juice, marinade, steak, and mozzarella is simply delicious. Serve it up with a nice side of salad, and you're in for a feast. Enjoy your delicious steak medley, and don't forget to have fun with your barbecue adventures. Happy cooking!